This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Evie Hunt. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom split floor plan home sits on 3.33 acres, surrounded by trees and wood lines for plenty of privacy. The large kitchen offers granite countertops and beautiful wooden cabinetry, with wood floors throughout the main living area of the home. The owner's suite has a private with a large soaking tub and walk-in shower. Outside of the home is a 12 by 28 deck facing the backyard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. The shed in back remains with the home. The roof and the HVAC system was replaced after the hurricanes. For more information, review the details below or contact Evie Hunt at 337-463-2121.